And the burial of Matungu Member of Parliament Justus Murunga has temporarily been halted by the High Court after a woman moved to court claiming to have sired 2 children, with him requesting to be involved in his burial. Meanwhile, 4 more people suspected to be part of a child trafficking syndicate were arraigned in court. This brings to 7 those arrested for allegedly being part of a child trafficking ring within Nairobi, whose operations were exposed in an investigative story by an international media house.
The 7 suspects, believed to be part of a child trafficking gang, will remain in police custody until Monday, when the case will be mentioned. Among the 4 new suspects presented in court on Thursday include 3 officers working at the Mama Lucy Kibaki Hospital, namely Juliana Mbeteki Mwele, Beatrice Njambi Njoroge, and Selena Awor Adundo. The 4th suspect, Musa Mohammed, is the Deputy Director, Medical Services, Nairobi Metropolitan Services. Senior Principal Magistrate Bernard Ochoi ordered the 7 to remain in custody at the Kileleshwa Police Station to allow the Office of the Director of Criminal Investigations conclude investigations. Separately, the court has temporarily stopped the burial of Matungu MP Justus Murunga, who died on the 14th of November en route to hospital. This is after a woman identified as Agnes Wangui moved to court alleging she had sired 2 children with the legislator. She wants the court to undertake a DNA analysis to ascertain their paternity and her children allowed to take part in his funeral. The burial process has been stopped until the DNA samples from the MP are analyzed to ascertain the paternity of her children.
We have served the 2 respondents who are the wives of the co-wives of the wives of Mheshimiwa. We have served the mortuary, funeral mortuary, that the body cannot live there.
Finally, the case against former Nairobi Governor Evans Kidero, seeking to have the anti-corruption court quash orders of a lower court requiring him to plea to fresh charges of conspiring to defraud the county 58 million shillings, will be heard next year. This is after Justice James Wakiaga said the ruling will be delivered on the 28th of January 2021. For Channel 1 News, I'm Serafina Robbie.